Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Michelle and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. On my channel, I post videos about luxury, planning, and travel, so if those are some things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and hit that notification bell because I upload new videos every single week. So for today's video, I actually have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and it has been quite a while since I've actually purchased something from Louis Vuitton, especially in store. And so I think it has been since January that I purchased something from Louis Vuitton, and that was through the website. And so this was something that I wanted to pick up because it was my birthday this past month, and so me and Joseph took a trip to Palm Springs and went to the Louis Vuitton store in Palm Desert, where I had the most pleasant experience in quite a while in store, where I just didn't feel judged, I didn't feel rushed, I felt like I can ask questions and just try things on in peace. And yeah, if you wanted to go ahead and see a couple of the things that I went ahead and tried on, I do have all of that highlighted in my Instagram story, so be sure to check that out. I'll go ahead and link my Instagram down below. And so yeah, let's go ahead and open up what's inside this big bag and box. So here is, oh, hold on. You can kind of tell already from what it is by the type of box it is, especially right over here because it's a pull-out box. And so let me show you guys what I got. I retied that bow if you couldn't notice. Alright, so here it is. Dun 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 dun. I got the Louis Vuitton Wonderland Flat Ranger boots, right? Yeah. They are the Louis Vuitton Wonderland Flat Ranger boots, and I absolutely love them. They have this shiny Louis Vuitton canvas right over here with leather here, cap toe in the front, and a small little heel. And over here they also have this cute little cuff that has the Louis Vuitton twist. And so the cool thing about these boots is that you can also wear it with this little cuff, or you can actually take this off all the way and just wear it as a cute little combat boot, just like so. They do have they are a lace up, so you have to go ahead and unlace them and lace them back up. And yeah, I absolutely love them. I have been wanting these for quite a while now, and even though they are not very spring or summer, I just feel like they would look really cute with a cute dress, and also be a very cute statement boot. And yeah, I absolutely love them, and I've been wanting these for quite a while. I think the first time I laid my eyes on them, they were about $1,300, and now they are about $1,500. So they have been going up slowly in price. Let me actually go ahead and get the other boot out. And here is both of them, and here's a side-by-side comparison. I'll see if I can get some other shots for you guys, but here is just a really quick one right over here. And so I did also try on the Star Trail boots as well, that kind of look similar to this one, but it has that high chunky heel, and that one I like because it had the lace up, but it had also a zipper right over here, so it was really easy to kind of put on and take off. And I actually liked those ones too. I'll see if I could put like a video right over here of me trying it on, but they were one of the comfiest high-heeled boots that I've tried on in quite a while. And so I did decide to go with these ones just because I felt like I would get a lot more wear out of them because they are flat versus the heel, and I feel like these ones you can really dress up and also down. And yeah, just in general, I feel like I'm gonna get a lot more wear out of these ones versus the Star Trails, which are a high-heeled. And these ones are the ones I've been wanting anyway, so I've always had my eye on these. So here is what the boots look like. So I'm just going to show you one, but here you can see that it has the leather cap toe, and you can already tell that this is a shiny kind of monogram canvas, so it's kind of different than, or it is different than the ones you see on like handbags, but it does have a rubber sole right over here, and here it has more leather in the back, and it has a lace-up feature. And here it has the LB twist buckle. So one of the things about this boot is that you can actually remove this all the way, and you can wear it as a combat boot just like this, which I think is actually really cute too. Here it's actually all lace up, so when you want to go ahead and wear the boot, you kind of you have to loosen it all the way and get your foot in there. I did try on also the Star Trails, as I did mention, which had like a zipper here, which I thought was really convenient just because you get the lace up look without actually having to lace up the shoe. But yeah, this is what the boot looks like, and let me show you a side by side so you can see it with and without the buckle. Which style do you guys like more? Do you like it with the buckle, or do you like it without? And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!